We are back with these visuals. This is from earlier when the structure in Kangana Ranaut's office premises was being demolished. The BMC says this was illegal. Kangana Ranaut has responded officially, and we have more breaking inputs coming in.
There you go. Yet another input coming in. It seems that Kangana has won the first round here. Big win for Kangana. More details now coming in. The Bombay High Court has ordered a stay on the demolition. This is after a portion of the wall has already been demolished, but a big moral victory here for Kangana Ranaut. She of course had gone to court, and this is the news coming in right now. The Bombay High Court has ordered a stay on this demolition drive being carried out by the BMC. Arunil with the details. Arunil, big win for Kangana Ranaut. Round 1 goes to Kangana.
Well, that is right. This is a significant development. The Bombay High Court ordering a stay on the demolition that was conducted at the office of actress Kangana Ranaut. So basically a relief for the actress to a certain extent, and a blow on the knuckles of the BMC as well, who basically was clearly acting on the instructions of the Maharashtra government. First, only 24 hours were given to Kangana Ranaut to react to several illegal structures that were conducted inside the office premises. That is as per the BMC allegations. And only in a day, there were 2 trucks of BMC officials over there, BMC workers, conducting the entire demolition drive, and then Kangana approaching the Bombay High Court, and now we understand that a stay has been ordered by the Bombay High Court on this demolition.
Right. Now, by the time, of course, the stay order has come, they already have demolished portions of the structure, and we're also being told, Arunil, that the matter will continue to be heard tomorrow as well?
Yes.
Through video conferencing from...
Yes, I believe Arunil is still with us. What we are getting to know, Arunil, is that the plea for the stay on demolition has been accepted by the Bombay High Court. There is now currently a stay as we speak, but the hearing will go on. It will continue tomorrow and will go on as well. Is that right?
Well, these are the preliminary developments that we...
Go ahead, Arunil. All right, I think we'll also try and connect to Kajal Iyer now. Kajal, if you can hear us right now, the information coming in right now, the Bombay High Court will take up the hearing. The plea for the stay on demolition has been accepted. That's a fact that we can tell our viewers for sure. And the hearing will continue tomorrow, and then again. That's what we can tell our viewers right now. But as we speak, Swati, the stay is in place. They can't demolish anymore. Right,
it's a massive victory for Kangana Ranaut. Even before she reaches the maximum city, the order has gone in her favor. Arunil continues to be with us. If you can hear us, Arunil, the hearing will go on is what we are being told. For now, yes, a stay has been ordered.
Well, a stay has been ordered until 3 p.m. tomorrow, so no demolition can be conducted at the office premises, which BMC was saying that there were illegal structures, illegal extensions done at the office premises of Kangana Ranaut. Now, until 3 p.m. tomorrow, there cannot be any demolition, and the hearing will continue tomorrow, and further actions, further orders will be expected from the Bombay High Court. But clearly, the first victory for Kangana Ranaut, just when she is expected to arrive in the financial capital of the country, and a clear blow on the knuckles of the Maharashtra government particularly, because clearly the BMC was acting as per the instructions of the Shiv Sena Supremo, basically the CM of Maharashtra. The Shiv Sena controls the BMC in Mumbai, and only 24 hours were given to Kangana Ranaut to basically reply to the order that the BMC had put up at her office premises, saying that there were several approvals were not taken, several permissions were not taken, and now we understand that a stay has been ordered on the demolition until at least 3 p.m. tomorrow. After 3 p.m. tomorrow, there will be again hearing that will